gotta show.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another show, a mukbang show. For everybody that's tuning in, if you haven't subscribed, please press that subscribe button. Please press that like button and give me a comment, a fabulous comment. Welcome to Eat Fabulous channel. If this is your first time, you're about to enjoy some mukbang. Oh, and if you don't know what mukbang is, everyone who don't know what a mukbang is, mukbang, mukbang, however you want to say it, but it's in Korean. It's a live online audio-visual broadcast in which a host eats large amount of food while interacting with their audience. Interacting like fabulous people interact with me. So that's basically what's on my channel, and mostly mukbangs. We're gonna be traveling, other things. We got surprises for you guys on the way, so stay tuned to everybody that's viewing this video. So I wanted to try something new on my channel. I wanted to do something on every video. So every video I'm going to be having word of the day, because a bitch didn't go to college and I want to be sophisticated when I'm talking. I want to learn big words. And if I say these words, well, along the videos, like, and they're not big to you, they are big words to me. And I want to learn and educate myself. So our word for this video is intrigued. Intrigue, bitch. Intrigue. The definition of intrigue, INTRIGUE, is intrigue is arouse the curiosity or interest of fascinate. Yes. So it's type like, let me use it in a sentence like, I was intrigued when I seen your presence. Oh, that movie was intriguing. That's the type. Oh my gosh, intrigued, you guys. So along today, after this video, you have learned something new. And if this was a word you've been new, keep it to yourself. So yes, intrigue. Attract, draw, lure, tempt, tantalize, interest. I was intrigued. Like, you guys, comment below. I was intrigued by this video. You are an intriguing girl. Well, that's enough. What we are going to be eating today, we are going to be eating this American Asian Panda Express. Yes. Panda. Oh, yes, you guys, look at me now. Went straight from the Jack Dollar menu to the next dollar menu. Okay, guys, so yeah, I hope you guys use my word of the day throughout the day, and then on my next video we can get another word of the day. Damn, my background's all messed up, but oh well. So I got Panda Express. Is a Chinese kitchen. We got some chow mein, some fried rice, some walnut shrimp, my favorite, and kung pao chicken. I love the spiciness in this, so. And then we got some wonton. Oh, damn, it never fails. So let's dig in, guys. You guys, love me some chow mein. Ah bien. Ooh, that's spicy. That's spicy, spicy. The hell? Okay, so today we're gonna have story time. Because it just dawned on me on how messed up my high school years were. So, what is my most embarrassing moment in high school? Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all. My most embarrassing high school year? My sophomore year. So my sophomore year, my mom wanted to put us in a Catholic school. So she put us in, you know, because this Catholic school was known for like sports and stuff, and she wanted us to be in sports, right? And let me tell you, it was so messed up. Like, we went there, right? So you got options like softball, volleyball, soccer, you know, whoop doo. And all my cousins went there too. So it was good because we were all there, you know, supporting each other on whatever sport we're going to try out for. This is so good. Look up. Bite, bite, bite. So, when it came to trying out for sports, we all, like me and my sisters, I have two sisters that went, two older sisters that went with me in high school. And we all tried out, and my cousins, we were all trying out. We were all excited, like, oh. And you know, I looked up to my sister, especially my older sister, because she was I believe she was already in volleyball before, so this would be like her second year. So me and my other sister, my twin, we went to try out with my cousins, and we're like, you know, we got this, you know. We went in to, you know, try out for volleyball. And here you go, spiking the ball, you know, doing my thing, ducking. Is there any ducking in volleyball? But I was, you know, serving it. I was doing the damn thing. Little freak, I thought I was. And then, when it came to the coach posting, or at least he didn't post, I think they were announcing. I think they were announcing the names. Announcing the names of who made it on the cut. So here we are, all excited, like, you know, standing there. Boom, calls my older sister. I'm like, of course, she made it. She'd been in volleyball before. Boom, calls my cousins. And I'm like, I'm so happy, you know, like, we're all gonna get in. And then they call my twin sister. And I'm like, dude, if my twin made it, I'm a pair. Like, what she do, I do. No, this mother wanna be like, okay, that's it. That's it. Nobody else made the cut. Try again next year. Oh my God. I stood there, shook, stuck, like looking like a little dork, like a little sad dork on the sideline. I was so mad that day. Because I look stupid. I mean, who wouldn't? I didn't make the fucking cut. Oh, I didn't make that effing cut. So mad. And then it didn't help, like, you know, I would think like my sisters would be like, it's okay, you know, next year, blah, blah, blah. No, they want to be all happy dappy in their Hispanics and just went along running the damn field while I had to walk sad out of the gym. I had to walk sadly out of the gym. Like, I didn't make it. It was me and my cousin that didn't make it. One of my cousins that tried out. So me and my cousin, we got so mad that we didn't make it. All my other cousins and my sisters made it. We got mad. We're like, F this. Let's go light up this blunt because everybody playing. Just that whole week was so sad. And it didn't help. It did not help that my mom made me stay with them for practice. Like, how you gonna have me in the bleachers by myself, Mom? Watching them. And you know when other people would be like, oh, you played volleyball? I'm like, oh, did you like make the cut or whatever? I had to like full on lie, like, no, I'm pursuing my careers, you know, I'm going to college, blah, blah, blah. No. I don't know, but that had to be the most embarrassing moment of my high school years. Like, I was intrigued by the, you know, by the results. My bad. If you hear music, I live in the hood, man. But anyways, back to, I forgot his name. Like, in my head, I'm like, you know, if you're gonna take one sister, you're gonna take all. Especially my twin. Like, we go like 20 twin. Like, one go, two go. And that's how it's been all our life. And then when she ditched me, nah, she didn't ditch me. She was just a better volleyball player. Well, that whole week was just like such a sad moment, such an embarrassing moment that I had to walk around knowing that I got cut. What? And it didn't help because I tried out for basketball in middle school and I made it, right? So here I am all happy. I was benched. I probably played like one time. So just imagine this second time. I was like, wow. I guess sports is not for me. But anyways, all my sisters are athletic. My older sister played volleyball. The second oldest, she played volleyball. And my baby sister, when I got out of high school, she made the cuts like varsity all in basketball. I was so mad I didn't want to go to none of her games. Speaking of games, when my sisters had volleyball games, I was in the bleachers, being that number one supportive sister that I was, but deep down inside, I was like, I don't want to be here. Every day at 3 o'clock, when they had practice after school, I had to look at them walking by in their spandex with their duffel bag with all their like volleyball equipment in there. Ooh, you don't know how bad I wanted to be like, F y'all. But you know, I had to be the supportive sister slash cousin. Like, ooh. I was such a hater back then that I didn't make it. Telling y'all. Like, just thinking of that is just embarrassing. Hmm? Let's try these out. Hmm? Ooh, look at that cream cheese though. Mm, 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 mm. Look at my horsehair. Mm. No. I don't know. What was your guys' most embarrassing moment in high school? Shoot. Because I feel like mine's just top it off. Like, so yeah. Ever since then, I know people be like, try again, try again. No, no. After I was embarrassed of my life, no. And I didn't want to see that coach again because I was, the next day you want to be like, better luck next time. No. It was just so sad, embarrassing, and excuse me. That's probably why I was never a popular kid. I swear. Don't trip. Maybe I'll be like a soccer mom. I'll teach my kids how to play volleyball so they won't, you know. So they won't. So they can be prepared for things like this. Anyways, you guys. Tell me. Are you recording me, babe?
It's over. I'm watching minutes already.
I got my husband watching me on this video. He's making me nervous. Oh. So yeah. Now every time I see a volleyball, I'm just So traumatizing. I love my sisters though. They look good as hell. All of them. And here I am, the fat cow that I am. They got all kids and still look like how they look when they made it to volleyball. Oh, here I am. No. Here's go. Yummy, yummy. So, this is so, it's like hitting the spot. Let's get another one. Why is it focusing? The bootleg camera. If this is your guys' first time watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If I said it already, I'm gonna say it so you guys remember. Subscribe, press that bell button. Press that like button. Leave me a comment. And tell me your most embarrassing moments in high school. I just made a new Instagram page too. So everybody follow me on there too. It's called Eat Fabulous 3. Don't forget the 3. You will find me on there. And I will have videos, so if you don't get notified with YouTube, you'll get notified with Instagram. So, and you guys stay tuned for my next video because I'll have another story time and another word of the day for y'all. I need to get off because my lipstick making me look like a clown. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Keep viewing me. Give me those views. I love y'all.